Hello, good day, and welcome to this session on types of inventory management system. By the end of this session, you should be able to mention the types of inventory management systems as well as explain the types of inventory management systems. So basically, organizations are presented with the option or the choice of the type of investment that they would want to make in the inventory management systems that they would adopt for their warehouse or their inventory management operations. So organizations might either choose from the manual or the computerized systems for managing their inventory. So we'll subsequently discuss the inventory management systems that are available to organizations. So the manual inventory management system, as the name implies, it's manual inventory management that is done by the personnel within the organization using manual means, and this is where it is usually adopted when the organization has few products or they keep track of inventory management manually by the use of spreadsheets or Excel. So in this instance, when goods are received and when goods are sold, what the organization does is they just enter the quantity into their spreadsheet system as a means of keeping records of inventory in their warehouse. It should be noted that if organizations adopt this system of keeping inventory or the system of managing inventory, then they have to consistently be cautious of the figures or the values that they enter into their spreadsheets, as a down, an overcast or an undercast could result in excessive costs or losses to the organization or an overstatement of profits. So the manual systems helps the small business owners. We've established that this system is usually used by small businesses where the inventory at hand can be seen and is not that much of a large warehouse. So the manual system is used and they allow the business owner to manage inventory with little investment in systems or training of personnel. So it should be noted that maintaining data integrity is a major downside to managing inventory using a spreadsheet. This is because a single data entry or formula error can cause major inaccuracies in the data output, which in the end is going to harm or is going to provide a statement that could underrepresent or overrepresent the current status of the organization. So it is key that the data that is being entered into the spreadsheet is cautiously done. The second inventory management system that is going to be discussed, which is similar to the manual inventory management system, is what we call the periodic inventory management system. And this can be seen as an approach to managing inventory in the warehouse by using the manual means. In this instance, the warehousing employees, so the periodic is usually adopted by a medium to large organization, because in this instance they actually employ people to do that, in contrast to the manual system which is used by small businesses where the owner actually does the manual inventory management systems themselves. So the periodic is where they count inventory is counted, or inventory that is available in the warehouse is counted on a periodic basis, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, that is every 3 months, or annually, that is every year or every 12 months. So it should be noted that the more the inventory is counted, the more you are able to report accuracy of the system. And then employees usually adopt spreadsheets and they adopt formulas which helps them to determine the optimum levels of inventory in stock, as well as the shortages which would require the need to purchase more if the need be. Then the last inventory management system that is going to be discussed is the computerized inventory management system. And as the name implies, this is a deviation or a contrary to the first two inventory management systems that have been discussed, in the sense that this uses computer technology to facilitate the warehouse or the inventory management approach. And this is usually adopted by large organizations who have the necessary resources to invest in technology so as to cater for good ordering, good maintenance, good storage, and good issuance. So it's the computerized inventory management system incorporates the hardware aspects, the software aspects, the policies and processes, as well as the personnel. It incorporates and integrates all these elements of the inventory management system to effectively and efficiently perform inventory management processes for a given organization.